talk about things, talk about some problems maybe instead of keeping them inside.
Pretty much talk to people like Jimmy.
This wonderful person.
Yeah. And it's better to keep mentally healthy when you do stuff outside of school as well, like do sports like netball and soccer.
With the workshop, I like how we can like get together and all develop our skills together rather than just doing it one-on-one with one person, and we can all kind of get ideas off of each other and make like a whole concept, and I think that's really cool.
Because if you have that, people are going to walk by.
Come here today because I like because I like doing art and that's pretty cool. And my mum signed me up for all of these different things, and I basically have
What makes you happy?
art and
Art and playing with your toys.
and hobbies.
And
Singing.
singing. Wow.
But I'm not going to sing.
What have you been doing? Talk to us a bit about it.
Oh, it's basically, these are our words that we've taught the young ones today, and I think it's awesome that we've been a bit mispronouncing the words and that, but at the end of the day, we've had fun though.
What do you think of tonight? Should it happen again?
Yeah, it's good. I think it's really good, including all the kids who learn and have a game. It's good friendly competition.
How often do you play yourself?
I play on Saturdays twice.
Yeah.
2 games on a Saturday.
So you're in the Empire?
Yeah, I umpire on Saturdays as well.
Alright. How's that going?
This club's going really well.
Yeah.
It's a great opportunity to get the guys more involved in the game so we can get more people down here to play. That's what it's all about, the guys having fun.
I enjoy dancing because it's like gymnastics, except you get cool moves to do. Some you can do on the floor. Like there's this guy in our dance class, he dropped on the floor and held himself up with just his hands, and another one is he did a backflip in the air. And I found that quite fascinating.
It gets me activated and it's fun for me, and it helps me by when I'm stressed and angry or upset. It helps me release the stress and everything.
Me doing this dance workshop has helped me with my stress and my anxiety. Like, I never used to interact with new people, I always used to be shy. I'm still shy, but I'm getting to know everyone here and it's made me feel more comfortable.
We just got to interact a lot with different people and have a different kind of group to hang out with, and I find that like better than just hanging out with the same old friends at school. And I guess in a way it helps you just relax and calm down by doing the dance with people that you don't know. It helps you settle into like people that you don't really hang out with. And yeah, it was really fun.
Off the dinner, take the center, shake a slap, smells delicious as the slimmer shooting threes on his door. All you hear is that swish, Brian's cooking in that kitchen, son of $8.
This is so fun.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yay! Put it in your brain at the lair of the dome. Ellenbrook is our home. Having lunch with the fam. That's who we are. It's who I am.
Everyone's dead set empty.
Yeah, and then
just if I run in my O's.
So you've got a yellow.
Yeah. So I'm really
We've got fabulous hippies with their message of peace, love, and ban the bomb.
That's all we got for a second.
7. They're Dangling, Princess and Bear. Perfect.
9 minutes ago.
Yep. Right, so my finger. What about a chill?
Turn out the way I wanted it. They put my name on this one, so I thought I'd just take this one. In the library and have
Dear future me, never forget your hopes and dreams. Maybe get a few friends or two, but never forget the real you. You love music, never ever change that. I love music, I'll never forget that. Never lose hope, love what you're doing, don't become dope. Hey, never get the real you, you're naming newbie too. Hey, I'm just saying, you're me and I'm you. Don't ever forget that, you're beautiful too.
Act, belong, commits.
This is Ellenbrook.
You're listening?
This guy does nothing bad, man. Know the writers and the band, and when it's not time, we spit the hard prime. Yeah, man, this is my time. Plus, we're spitting it up, keeping it up, spewing them out, kicking them out, insert the link. That's how I think. I just done a kick flip, that slip, will flip. That's it.
Yeah. You got the focus. Do I start?
Tick tock like a clock, chilling at the workshop. We're not gonna look back, we're just making fat tracks. Day after day with the same cheat, doing nothing but rhyming to the same beat. Standing here feeling the deep, I'm just standing on my feet.
I lost it. When I close my eyes and I start to think, a bowl of frozen fries, sipping on a drink, chuck on them shoes, now we're dancing to the beat. Down the street in this heat, chilling with my feet.
Izzy, come on.
My name is Izzy, trying not to get dizzy. Spread captions, I'm making me sneezy. I'm ready to bloom with a big boom. Feeling not too gloomy with me, to me.
Straight from the hood.
Yo, Oscar styles, drawing, painting, they're my thoughts. Reading and writing, romance and horror. Gotta keep going a little bit longer. Gotta keep going a little bit longer. Gotta keep going a little bit longer.
I'm a lecturer, the drummer, I drop beats in the summer. Yo, I like to color, I am tougher than my brother. And my sister, she is cuter than my cat. I swim laps, don't run laps. I like birds, don't like bats. I like shorts, don't like hats. I'm a lecturer.
Yo!
Here's what Ellenbrook means to me. Everybody is a part of the community. Everybody living in one harmony. Friends laughing in nature, that's what I see. It's the isolated land of opportunity. Mateship all around the Australian dream. We thrive, not melt, not burning in the heat. It's just an excuse for a pool party.
Stay sane, recorded in your brain at Gillera and the Dome. Ellenbrook is our home, having lunch with the fam. It's who we are, it's who I am. It's who I am. It's who I am. It's who I am. At the workshop on a Friday, singing the songs that we made. The music ties us up as one individuals, all having fun. No shade, there's no hate in the library. Feeling great, hanging out together, all as friends. Time's never been better spent.
Let's start a trend. We rap, we draw, we write a little more. We record, we talk, we laugh until we're sore. Help each other out, we learn to rhyme. A family, no doubt, we always spend time. But that's just me hanging out with my friends at the workshop where the fun never ends.
Act alone to me, gotta remember it. To stay healthy, stay sane. Recorded in your brain at Gillera and the Dome. Ellenbrook is our home, having lunch with